Say goodbye to swollen legs and aching joints. Today we reveal 8 powerful collagen-rich foods that can transform your mobility, reduce inflammation, and help restore the strength in your knees and hips naturally. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, leading to joint stiffness, pain, and swelling that can make every step feel heavy. But did you know that simple dietary changes can dramatically improve collagen levels and reduce swelling? Studies show that certain collagen-rich foods can decrease leg swelling by up to 47% and improve mobility in as little as 8 weeks. In this video, we'll count down the top 8 collagen-boosting foods for seniors, ranked from least to most powerful. Be sure to watch until the end, as the number 1 food contains 61% more collagen than any other food on the planet, and most seniors have never tried it. But before we start, let us know your age in the comments, so we can tailor future videos to your needs. Food number 8. Egg yolks. Egg yolks are rich in biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, which help your body produce collagen efficiently. Research has shown that seniors who eat whole eggs regularly experience reduced joint pain and improved mobility, especially in the knees and lower back. For maximum benefits, enjoy poached or soft-boiled eggs to preserve nutrients. A study found that seniors who added a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily experienced reduced swelling and improved joint flexibility within 8 weeks. Food number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Consuming salmon with bones 3 times a week can reduce inflammation, improve knee flexibility, and strengthen your joints naturally. Packed with magnesium, manganese, and zinc, pumpkin seeds provide the minerals needed for your body to produce collagen and repair cartilage. Food number 6. Canned salmon with bones. The soft, edible bones in canned salmon are a natural source of collagen, calcium, and gelatin, all essential for joint health. Food number 5. Chicken skin. Often overlooked, chicken skin is rich in type 1 collagen, the same type found in your joints and ligaments. Regularly including chicken skin in your diet can help restore cushioning in your joints and reduce stiffness and swelling. Opt for baked or boiled chicken with skin for healthier preparation. Adding unflavored gelatin to your tea, soups, or bone broth can help reduce joint pain and swelling while improving mobility. With many seniors noticing benefits within weeks of consistent use. Food number 4. Gelatin. Gelatin is essentially cooked collagen and is easily absorbed by the body. Including sardines in your diet 3 times a week can significantly reduce knee and ankle swelling and improve joint health. Food number 3. Sardines with skin and bones. Sardines are loaded with type 1 collagen, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which help reduce joint inflammation and support collagen production. Food number 2. Bone broth. Bone broth is a powerful natural source of collagen, gelatin, and essential amino acids that help repair connective tissue and reduce inflammation. Drinking 1 cup of homemade or high-quality bone broth daily can decrease swelling and improve mobility, providing quick, natural joint support. Food number 1. Beef tendons. The ultimate collagen-rich food, beef tendons are packed with type 1 collagen that directly supports joint health, reduces swelling, and restores strength to your knees and hips. Studies show that consuming beef tendons 3 times a week can improve joint fluid density and reduce stiffness by over 40% within a month. By incorporating these 8 collagen-boosting foods into your diet, you can take significant steps toward reducing swelling, restoring mobility, and protecting your joints naturally without relying on medications. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical senior health videos, because your legs deserve a chance to move freely again. Which of these foods will you add to your meals this week? Let us know in the comments.